welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. My name is Courtney, and I enjoy decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, and so much more. Honey, you are getting the whole entire lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have landed on the right channel. Today's video isn't sponsored, but I wanted to share with you this beautiful peel and stick backsplash tile that I got on Amazon. The brand name is LOVECASA, and I hope I'm saying that right. And they come in a 10 pack of 12 by 12 peel and stick tiles, and I got the color Ecru. It's a beautiful stone finish with gold accent tiles in between. And here you see my wife putting it up for me. She is so sweet. Thank you, honey. Thank you for putting up that backsplash. Some of the tiles had to be custom cut, but it was very easy to do with a straight edge and then popping the line with pliers. They are adhesive back, but we used a little bit of 3M spray adhesive, especially around the sink, to make sure that no moisture would get behind the tile. With the holidays fast approaching, I knew I had to get busy with those holiday projects that I wanted to complete so I could bring you those beautiful Christmas decorating videos. And I am so happy with this backsplash tile, and the effect is beautiful. Today's video is part of the Clean, Declutter, and Organize Open Collaboration, hosted by Live, Love, Laugh with Jen. Links to her channel as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So let's get on with the cleaning. This kitchen is a hot mess, honey. Are you seeing the dirt? Watch the playback. It looks like it's not even dirty, but I want you to see that this kitchen is a hot mess. And I thank my wife for putting up this beautiful backsplash last night. Turn on the light. Okay, that's better. All right, so you can see everything. Even inside the microwave is dirty. The oven, stove, the cabinets, and I wanted you to see. I don't know if you can really see that. Maybe you can see it right there. How greasy the cabinets are. Just greasy, honey. And I got my coffee in my favorite mug. And I am getting ready to get this completely cleaned up and all the way together. Okay? On the counter, I have some of the decor that was over in the other corner. And everything in here is a total mess. So that is the overview of the kitchen. And I'm also going to work on some holiday decorating. I did clear all of the cabinets, above the cabinets. And I'm going to take down some of that alcohol and some of the stuff here, and remove the last of the fall decor and get this kitchen all the way together. So I'm going to sit you down now and let's get busy. I hope you enjoyed today's video and it motivates you to get cleaning because the holiday season is just around the corner. Please check out my full Decorate with Me for the holiday series by clicking on that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much to our host today, Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. And as a reminder to all of my fellow YouTube creators, the Christmas Freestyle is coming up November the 26th at 6 p.m. Decorate any area of your home for the Christmas season, and I'll see you then. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.